Hi everyone! Today I will show you how I take care of my hair using B24 molecular peptide sleeve in Repair Hair Mask by Amazonless. Wash your hair with shampoo and skip the conditioner. Remove excess moisture with a towel. Dispense a small amount of the B24 mask, 4 pumps depending on hair length, thickness, and condition. Rub between your palms until a consistent white emulsion forms. Evenly distribute from the roots to the tips of your hair and leave on for 4 minutes. Do not rinse. Style your hair as usual. For optimal results, use during the next 6 hair washing sessions. After that, use every 4 times. At the heart of this mask is a unique sequence of amino acids. A bioactive protein peptide penetrates the hair structure and reconnects broken keratin chains within the hair shafts. In doing so, the product can restore and fortify the natural disulfide bonds fully. This process makes the hair strong and flexible. The peptide method rejuvenates hair at the molecular DNA level, restores the structural bonds of hair molecules, improves texture, counteracts brittleness and split ends, adjusts porosity, intensely nourishes and hydrates, all while keeping the hair follicle in prime condition. The mask replenishes lost natural keratin. This product is extremely rich in beneficial components, resulting in hair that is renewed, fortified, completely restored from within, smooth, silky, well-maintained, and brilliantly shiny. The mask is free from harmful substances, gentle, balanced, and is used regularly as a gold standard for highly effective hair care with comprehensive protective and rejuvenating properties. It works wonders on hair of any type or complexity. My hair feels better than ever. Looks more hydrated, nourished, repaired, flexible, and shiny. I'm happy to not cut my ends and could continue growing my hair, plus the mask smells so nice too. I am delighted with the smell and the results. Try it for yourself to see